Did you know that 93% of content creators say video creation is an important part of their strategy, but many struggle with the time and resources needed to create high-quality content? That's where this AI tool comes in. This free AI video generator is changing the game, allowing anyone to create professional videos in minutes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me a lot. Let's dive into amazing features that make this AI tool the ultimate solution for effortless video creation. The AI tool I'm talking about is Video AI. Head over to Video AI website, create an account by using your email address to access the platform. Once you are done, you will land in the home page like this. Video AI is an innovative platform designed to simplify video creation through the power of artificial intelligence. It allows users to create professional quality videos quickly and effortlessly, eliminating the need for extensive technical expertise. Video AI automates tasks like objects and characters integration and adding dynamic effects, helping creators focus on storytelling and creativity. Video AI has 3 features: reference to video, image to video, and text to video feature. Let's create some videos together. Click on any of these features. It will take you to another page where we are going to create our video. At the top, you will see a model selection option. Click on it. Let's customize the settings for our video. Video AI has 3 models. Video 1.0. Video 1.5 allows precision prompts and dynamic video generation. And the last and the newest model is Video 2.0, which allows fastest generation speed with more stable visuals. This mode is the best choice for creating high-quality video within a seconds. Select 2.0 model. Scroll down a bit and you will see 3 options for video creation: reference to video, image to video, and text to video option. We are going to explore them one after the other. First, click on reference to video option. It will bring the settings to follow for this option. The box allows you to upload your reference images you want to be using for your video. You can upload 1 or 2 characters, objects, or scenes as references. Describe the content you want to generate. Click on the box to upload your image. I uploaded the image of a Batman and a rustic worn stone wall background image. Write the prompt of your video below. Make sure you write a detailed description of how you want the video to look like. I write, the Batman walking on a rustic worn stone wall. Scroll down to settings, you will see duration. This allows you to choose the duration of your video. They have 2 options to choose from: 4 seconds and 8 seconds. Select the one that fits your project. Longer videos will require more time to generate. After, go to the resolution section. We have 3 options to choose from: speed, 720p and 1080p. Select one. Click on movement amplitude and we have 4 options to choose from, such as auto, small, medium, and large. Choose any one you like. Go to aspect ratio and select one of the 3 available options: 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. I click on 16:9. Leave the amount in a default setting and click on generate. It costs 4 credits per video. The video generation process will begin within a few minutes. This is the result. Very quality. The AI tool follows the prompt and image to give a quality result. You can recreate it if you are not satisfied with the result, or click on download to download the video. Let's try another image. I deleted the image of Batman and uploaded the image of a horror Spider-Man. I changed the prompt to the Spider-Man walking in a rustic worn stone wall. After I click on generate, wait a minute to process the result. This is the result. So amazing. High quality resolution. Click on download to download the video. Let's check out the image to video option. Click on image to video. Upload the images you are going to be using. This section allows just 2 images. Click on the upload button to upload your images directly from your device. Make sure you upload clean images. I uploaded the image of a background. Provide the prompt in the prompt box. I write, a soldier holding a gun walking to the house. After, customize the below settings to fit your project. Set the duration, resolution, movement, amplitude. After all the settings, click on generate. Let's wait for the result. This is the result. Very impressive. Let's try one more time. I change the soldier in the prompt box to robot and click on generate. Wait for the tool to process the video. This is the video. Very quality with high resolution. Can you see the depth of the house and the environment? It looks more like 3D. Very realistic. With this tool, you can turn any image into a stunning video within a second. The last video generation feature feature we will be looking at is text to video. This feature does not support Video 2.0 model. Once you click on the text to video option, it will automatically change the model to supporting model. Write the prompt of whatever you want to generate in the prompt box. Make sure you write a full description of what you are about to generate for this video. I'm going to generate. A small group of male inmates in orange color prison uniforms sit on the floor of an American prison. One man talks with a kind face, the others listen with interest. A zoom out camera movement. Click on Style and select General. Customize the remaining settings. After, click on Generate. It costs 12 credits. Video AI will generate the result. This is the result. Very amazing. Let's generate the second video by using animation style. I delete the prompt and write. A cobbler sits in his workshop wearing a gray coat and a white shirt. He is working on a large shoe made of leather. The cobbler has a beard and wears a hat. The background is filled with tools and other shoes. The lighting is warm. A zoom in camera movement. Change the style to animation and click on Generate. Wait for the result. This is the result. The animation video is very amazing. The more detailed your prompt is, the more quality of the result. Make sure you prompt the video v detailed description of what you want to generate. You can also use pre-made template available on the platform in order to enjoy the unlimited features. Make sure you subscribe to their pro plan. Select the plan that fits your project. With Video AI, you can create unlimited high-quality video. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.